So should you be working 7 days a week? This is a sticky topic because overall I'd say you shouldn't be working 7 times a week. However, this completely depends on what scenario that you're in. So if business is going relatively well and okay, me personally, I worked 7 days a week for a very long time. A very, very long time, even when business was going well. But what you're going to find is by doing this is your output's not going to be as positive because you're not living life, you're not experiencing things, you forget why you're trying to earn money in the first place. You're not tasting anything that you're going to get for after it. So if you're young and you're working 7 days a week, I mean, my advice would be just relax a little bit because oftentimes you think you're running out of time, especially with how the internet is, but the truth is you're not, you've got plenty of time. However, if you find yourself in a sticky financial situation, which I have been in before, most definitely, then sometimes you haven't got an option. And I'm not here trying to push hustle culture because it gets quite toxic and ultimately it's counterintuitive because your output is less productive anyway. If you're never away from that computer, you're not working well. But then again, if you're completely out of finances, or you owe some money, or you're really trying to get something off the ground, it is 7 days. But there's a way to navigate against this. You don't have to do straight 7 days. I've got to sit behind the computer 24/7. You know, maybe you're going to work downstairs on a Sunday, or you start going on a walk, or you start going and doing something social that takes a couple hours. And these sound like little things, but when you're in hustle mode, if you've been in that yourself, you know what that's like. And when you're not looking after your mind, it can get very bad. So I wouldn't advise working 7 days a week if you can avoid it. But the ultimate goal is to work 7 days a week. Like, but it's to intertwine your work and your personal life in a way that it's enjoyable enough to do so. But it takes a lot of 7 days a week whilst it's not enjoyable to get there. And, you know, that's the thing that you're going to battle with. But when you're focusing on tasks opposed to work time, what you're going to find is you can actually complete those tasks in less time and you can actually go live your life. Because I've been in the position where I've just done years and done nothing. Like, done nothing other than work. And I look back on it and it's, you don't realise how much time has passed until you've seen someone you haven't seen in a while, or your birthday comes up or Christmas comes up and you're just reminded on how long it's been. So, you know, just think about it. It's easy to get caught up in this hustle culture and everyone's promoting it, but you don't work productive like that, and you've got to watch out for the signs and be really conscious and try and reconstruct your days around it. But then again, if you've got yourself into a bad situation, there's nothing that you can do. The work's got to be done. So you're going to go through a period of life where it's shit. But, you know, my thing is, if you want to work a 9 to 5, go get a 9 to 5. Think about it.